Alright, good morning. This is Mr. Vasek. I'm going to go over how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So here we have our rectangular prism. It has 6 sides, and we have a front side, a back side, a left side, a right side, a top, and a bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. The first method, we're going to find the area of every single side, then add it all up. So like I said earlier, we have a front side, we have a back side, a right side, a left side, a top, and a bottom. So on the front side, we have to find our dimensions. So first off, the front side, it's kind of like if you have a box. The front of the box. The front of the box is going to be your height times your width. Here, our height is 10. I'll even write that down. The width is 10, and looks like the height is 17. So that's 17 times 10, which is 170. And the back side of a box, or rectangular prism, same as the back. That's going to be height times width, which is also 17 times 10. And if you guys, I'm assuming many of you have seen lots of boxes. Usually if your box isn't messed up or anything, the front side and the back side are going to be exactly the same. Makes your calculations a lot easier. Right side. Well, we'll call this the length. It's going to be the length times the height. So we have 7 times 17. And I don't know that off the top of my head. So 17 times 7 is 119. And then the left side is exactly the same. That's also 7. In fact, I showed you. I just written in 7. And that height 17 still. So 7 times 17. It's still going to be 119. Alright, last but not least, we have the top and the bottom. The bottom is easier to see here. So we have basically a length times width. The length is 7, the width is 10, which is going to be 70. So length times width, and that's also length times width. Alright, so now to get surface area, we're going to go ahead and add this up. Let's see, this is 340. Oh no, what's this? This is going to be 238. This is going to be 140. So we have 340 plus 238 plus 140. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 4 is 11, carry the 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 718 yards square. And so that's going to be one way to solve this problem. Now, I'm going to show you a slightly different way. So the formula uses our width, our height, and our length. So you always have to know those 3 things. And here's what it's based off of. How do we solve for the bottom? Well, we said it was 7, which is our length, times our width. So that's length times width. And the top was the same, so that's also length times width. Since we have length times width twice, we're going to have 2 times length times width. And we're going to add that to, what's the right side again? 17 is our height, 7 is our length. So that's H times L. And then since we have 2 of them, it's plus 2H times L. And what are we going to add to that? Let's see. Oh yeah, width times height. So we have 2H times W. And I'm going to write out this formula right here. SA equals, or surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times h times length plus 2 height times width. Remember, our width was 10, height 17, length is 7. So our surface area is 2 times 7, 7 times 10 plus 2 times 17 times 7 plus 2 times 10 times 17, which is 7 times 10, 70, times 2 is 140. And then we have 17 times 7 is 119, times 2 is 238. 10 times 17 is 170, times 2 is 340. And we add it up again, and we get 718 yards squared. So that formula only works for rectangular prisms. You have to know your width, height, and length. What will work for every prism out there is just going through each side length, calculating it, and adding it all up. Alright, so if you have questions, feel free to go ahead and email me. More than happy to help you out.